Here's another skill cue for standard number 5, decision making. And our action word is wise. W, walk through the decision. I, identify the options and predict the outcomes. S, select the best choice. E, evaluate the outcome. Throughout the day, you are making countless decisions. Many of these happen without you even thinking. Now, if you want to be more intentional about your decisions, you can use the wise skill cue. So step 1 is to walk through the decision. And this is basically you taking a moment to step back and to ask yourself, hey, what's going on right now? What's happening with this decision? What is the decision that I actually need to make? What am I feel? What motivation is there behind this? Is it internal motivation? Is it external? Is there pressure? Are there big emotions involved? Just take a moment to walk through what's actually happening. Once you've identified what's actually going on, you can move to step 2, which is to identify your options and predict the outcome. So take a moment to think, hey, what are my choices here? What happens if I choose this choice? How's it going to impact my well-being? This is where you can bring in the best model to think specifically about how the decision may impact these core areas of your well-being. Once you've considered the options and you've thought about different outcomes, step 3 is to select the best choice. And this is where you're actually going to make a choice and follow through on that choice. Leading us to step 4, which is to evaluate the outcome. So after you've made a decision, take a moment to reflect. And again, you can use the best model as a quick way to check in and see, hey, how did this impact my body? How did it impact my environment? How did it impact myself? And how did it impact my social ties? Now, again, throughout your day and throughout your life, you are going to make more decisions than you could ever count. So using the step-by-step process of the wise skill cues is a great way for you to make intentional and enriching choices in your life.